This is Val. This is how you do it. And I'm gonna make some split pea soup. I'm gonna put some bell pepper and onions in my water. I have pig feet in the water also to give for flavor. All of this is for flavor for my soup. And this is the soup that I'm gonna cook. It's yellow split pea soup. It doesn't take this long to cook, so I'm gonna go ahead on and cook my meat because it's gonna take this meat about an hour, 2 hours to cook. Right now, I'm putting some seasoning in it. Whatever seasoning you have on your shelf, just put it in there. That was paprika with the heat. And you can see it as I put it in there. You don't have to use these seasonings. Just use the seasonings that you like. And as you boil this down and add water, add peas, that seasoning will weaken. It just looks like a lot right now. As of yet, you haven't put any salt in it. This is just a mixed blend of seasonings. Let me see, it's gathered at the end, in the bottom. Only on camera, right? And the salt I'm going to use, I do have some pink Himalayan salt, but I'm just going to put some Valerie seasoning salt in it because that has seasoning and salt mixed together. Knocking two birds out with one stone. And more flavor to this pot. I'll put a little chicken base in here. That's just flavor, y'all. I'm trying to boost the flavor. And when I come back, I'll be adding the peas. This is what the pig feet look like now. They can cook a little longer until they fall apart. That's why I'm going to put the beans in it now. That's halfway during the cooking process. I already washed these. And I'm putting them in here. This is about, let me show you how many cups that is. I think it's about 2 cups of beans. They're sticking because they've been washed. Rinsed, as they say, not washed. Just rinse them with water, not soap and water. Just water. Mix them around in there. But now I'm not going to double season it because look at all that good color of that water. And we're going to probably be coming back and showing you the end result after this. This is what it looks like. Now I'm going to take the pig feet out. Just move the pig feet out the way. Put them in here. It's only 3 of them. And as you see, I like to cook my split peas so they get soft. Now, you take this and put it in a blender. Probably could pour this in here. But I'm just going to do half of it for now just to see, let y'all see how to do this. This is how you make a split pea soup. At least how I make a split pea soup. Putting it on your blender. And it's churning away right now. So I'm going to move this to the side for y'all. While that's mixing. Put this bowl right here so you can look inside here. Don't rush it. Let it blend really good. Now just picture pouring this in a bowl. That's your soup. Split pea soup. Now I'm going to pour the rest of it in my blender. Try to pour it, squeezing it all over the place. And that's it. Now, this is cold and flu season. Don't wish that on nobody. But just because it's cold outside, this will be a good, flavorful soup to eat. This is one I stopped that because it sounded like a bone was in it. So be very careful that there's no bones in the bottom of the thing once you fish out all the meat. But when I pulled it, I didn't see none. But the blender was sounding kind of funny. Maybe I just didn't have it on there tight. Watch. Now I'm going to give it a taste. Now you can take those pig feet and just eat them by themselves. Or put them in something else and start cooking something else. Gonna give this a taste. I'm not gonna double dip, just tasting it right now. It's really still really hot right now. Yes, it is flavored wonderfully. This is really good. All that right there and all them seasoning I put in it. Perfect soup. And this is Val, but this is how you do it. Showing you how to make split pea soup. If you like this, share it with somebody. Let the commercials play. And I will dearly appreciate it. Bye-bye now. Don't forget to hit that like button. Thank y'all.